What is good, YouTube? So today we're going to be going over AMC and GME stock and why I believe Roaring Kitty could have been hinting to us that a major squeeze is going to happen on Halloween, which is tomorrow. But before I do get into that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because only about 30% of you guys watching my videos are actually subscribed. So today GameStop closed in the green and it was green throughout the whole day. We ended the day at $23.28, but in the morning, millions of dollars reported into call options, a lot of them expiring this week, and we hit a high of $24.54. I do believe tomorrow we are going to break past $24 once again, and we can potentially experience the Moass tomorrow. None of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. This is just a theory. Obviously, anything could happen. GameStop could tank. The whole market could tank. Anything could happen, guys. It's all one giant risk. It's just speculation. But this is what we've been waiting for. And I hear a lot of people crying that it's not moving. I mean, this is what we've been waiting for, guys. Volume picking up. Roaring Kitty selling all his Chewy shares confirmed. Roaring Kitty has been active on Reddit. I really think we're on the verge of something huge here. In the past 5 days, we're up about 15%. And I do believe we're going to run more going into the next 2 trading days for GameStop stock. If we bring up the RSI here, today it ended at around 65. We're nearing that 70 mark. And the last time that it crossed that 70 mark, the RSI, we got a huge 50% run from around $11 all the way to a high of almost $17, right when the RSI crossed. But what happened in 2021 on the third run, it matched this high up here. So obviously in 2021, we had this big spike up back in 2021. This is the 2024 chart, obviously, but we had this big spike up, came back down when they turned off the buy button. And then we had another run. The same exact thing is happening here in 2024. And what is going to confirm that it's the same exact layout is if we reach this high back here. Because that's what happened in 2021. On the third run, a couple months later, it ran all the way to the highs of the previous run. So I really think if the RSI can continue to rise and people continue to load in, we're golden. It's Moass time, baby. It is freaking Moass time. And I do believe AMC is going to follow as well. AMC had a pretty decent green day. Almost 10 million shares traded. It hit a high of $4.65. It was up almost 5% today. Came back down towards the end of the day and closed up 2% just like GameStop. And it closed at $4.56. Like I've been saying, this thing is going to follow GameStop whichever direction it decides to go. Down or up. It is going to follow. So if GameStop does squeeze, anticipate AMC crossing $10 easily. Once again, Donald Trump stock crashed over 22% today. So didn't get what I was hoping for. I was hoping it continued to rise to $60 so that way, I could sell my GameStop calls, throw it into Donald Trump puts. Not everything always goes as planned, guys. The RSI was chilling above 70 for a long time and it came down below 70, causing Donald Trump stock to crash like crazy. And it can potentially come back down to the low $30 level. We'll just have to see what happens over the next 2 trading days. Now, this is why I believe tomorrow we could potentially have a short squeeze, a gamma squeeze, whatever you want to call it. I did make this post on X a couple minutes ago. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure to go follow me there. My username is Mikey's_money. I said on Roaring Kitty's last live stream, the thumbnail says, "I'll wager with you, I'll make you a bet." This is from a scary movie which is called The Babadook. As you all know, tomorrow is the scariest day of the year. Was the kitty trying to give us a hint? So in this thumbnail, we got Ryan Cohen in there. We got a crazy green candle on the left. We got a bunch of Japanese people freaking out. I don't know about you guys, but it just feels really squeezy right now. The volume has picked up like crazy. Like I said in some of my previous videos, the biggest reversals happen on low volume. That is exactly what we've gotten over the past week. And I don't believe it's just going to stop there. I believe we are going to continue going into Halloween tomorrow. The buying pressure is there. The RSI is up. There's multiple indicators on Webull. I did make this post in the morning. So on Trading Central, there is 10 different bullish signals. As you guys see those green dots, those are all different bullish signals, bullish indicators. There's only like 8 of them on the screen. It couldn't even show them all. That's how much there was. I've never seen anything like this on any stock in my life. I have never seen indicators like this on Webull all freaking in a row. It is insane. Over 10 long signals on TradingView. Look how extremely bullish that looks. I mean, all of these signals have a price target of around $28, but I believe GameStop could run much higher than that. All I'm going to tell you guys right now, I could be wrong. None of this is financial advice, but if you are invested into GameStop, if you are invested into AMC, and we get another squeeze like we did in May, take your profit. Take your freaking money. I'm not here saying it's going to $1 million. I believe we can go to the high that we had in June, around $40, $50, maybe $60. It's possible. All I know is I am going to take my profit, and I hope all of you guys take your profit because I want everyone to make money. Everyone that has been watching my channel, this is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for. We're in the freaking middle of it, guys. We are in the middle of it. This guy said another doji on the daily for GME. We need to break $25 with some volume if we're going to keep this thing moving. Up 13% since Friday's close. So GameStop is up only 13% this week. And we did go over this post a couple videos ago. This guy said Halloween week runs for GME since 2020. So every single year on the week of Halloween, GameStop runs. In 2020, it ran 24%. In 2021, it ran 50%. In 2022, it ran 45%. And in 2023, it ran 14%. Guys, this is the week of Halloween. We are in it. We are in the freaking middle of it. 2 more trading days. And it might confirm it. I mean, we got a decent little 13% run. Can it be more? Yes. Yes, it can. I mean, talk about fluctuations in price. We saw it in the morning all the way to $24.50. We were just trading at $20.50 not too long ago, a couple trading days ago. That's some volatility. Roaring Kitty hasn't even posted anything. And we're seeing the volume come in. What happens if he just does? Let's just say he does. At this point, chances are he's not. That's how it really feels like. Chances are he's probably not going to post this month. Maybe next month. I mean, at this point, it's just going to be a surprise to everyone. It is literally going to be a surprise, and I feel like that's what he wants. All I know is he's one step ahead. So is Ryan Cohen. And I know people are going to be rich, and I know people are going to make a lot of money on GameStop over the next couple of days. As for AMC, this movie, Wicked, I don't think we ever even covered this movie. It looks poised to make $1 billion at the box office after new record. You know, we go over movies sometimes on my channel to talk about AMC. This is another $1 billion movie in the year of 2024. I believe we've already had a couple. And Moana 2 is also going to come out. Record-breaking sales, another $1 billion movie. Earnings is coming out for AMC next Wednesday. And I believe AMC is going to see a spike along GameStop. I believe both of them are going to squeeze very soon. And that is just my opinion. Now, this is financial advice. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. I am freaking pumped. I went to the gym. I was fighting demons because GameStop didn't close where I wanted it to close today. But at the end of the day, we're still green. At the end of the day, the volume is freaking up. I feel like this is the very moment that we have all been waiting for. I even got the To The Moon sunglasses on. When was the last time I wore these? I don't even freaking know. But I will keep you guys updated tomorrow on what happens with AMC and GME stocks, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on. Push it.